Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the lowdown on everything you need to know before you buy. Today, we're checking out the Culinary Chef Retro Smoothie Maker Blender. A compact yet powerful option in the world of personal blenders, this one packs some punch with a sleek, retro-inspired design that is sure to catch the eye. But does it live up to the hype? Stick around to find out. Let's start with the basics. The Culinary Chef Retro Smoothie Maker Blender is a personal single-serve blender, making it ideal for smoothies, shakes, or quick blends for one. Its standout feature is the charming retro design, which blends both modern and classic kitchen aesthetics with ease. It's a good-looking addition to any countertop, and I know we all appreciate that. But of course, looks aren't everything. What about its performance? This blender boasts a 300-watt motor that spins at an impressive 23,000 RPM, making it more than capable of crushing ice, pulverizing frozen fruits, and whipping up those smooth, creamy textures we love in smoothies and shakes. But how does it handle real-world use? Well, this blender isn't just about style. It's built to get things done. The motor is paired with a heavy-duty stainless steel blade system, designed to handle tougher ingredients like frozen berries or chunks of ice without hesitation. Plus, the 2-speed control allows for some versatility, offering both a gentler blend for softer fruits or a higher speed for tougher ingredients. I've had the chance to test it out for a few days, and I've got to say, I'm impressed with how well it performs considering its size and price point. The setup was incredibly simple, and within seconds of plugging it in, I was ready to go. I tested it with some frozen strawberries, a handful of spinach, a banana, and a little bit of ice. In just about 30 seconds, the mixture was creamy and smooth, with no chunks left behind. I was even able to make a thick milkshake using just ice cream and milk, and it blended effortlessly. The stainless steel blades really make a difference here. No more bits of fruit floating around in your shake. That said, there is a bit of noise when the motor revs up, which might be a bit much if you're blending early in the morning or late at night. Now, as much as I love the functionality, there are a few drawbacks worth noting. The main one is that this is a personal blender. If you're someone who loves making big batches of smoothies, this might not be for you. The mason jar is on the small side, so you're limited to single servings, which could be a hassle for larger families or those with a lot of people to serve. Another point to mention is that the plastic lid that comes with the mason jar isn't the sturdiest thing around, and I had to be careful when screwing it on to avoid leaks. But on the positive side, the compact size of this blender makes it perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or anyone who doesn't have space for a full-sized blender. It's easy to store away, and it looks great sitting out on the counter. And despite the plastic lid, the mason jar itself, it feels sturdy, even handling was dirty. And I had no issues with it during my testing. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, which is always a win when it comes to cleaning. In terms of value for money, the Culinary Chef Retro Smoothie Maker is priced quite reasonably considering its performance. It's not going to replace your heavy-duty blender if you're looking to make soups or large quantities of smoothies, but for single-serve shakes or smoothies, it's a solid choice. Compared to other blenders in this price range, it performs just as well, if not better, than many of its competitors, especially in terms of design and ease of use. If you're considering alternatives, blenders like the Ninja Personal Blender or Magic Bullet are also in the same range, but the Culinary Chef stands out for its retro aesthetic and its ability to crush ice and blend frozen fruit more smoothly. When it comes to build quality and longevity, the Culinary Chef Retro Smoothie Maker seems to be made for the long haul. While we don't have data on its longevity yet, the stainless steel blades and sturdy mason jar suggest it's built to last. It's not a high-end commercial-grade machine, but for personal, everyday use, it's solid. I wouldn't expect any major issues with regular use, but it's always worth noting that lighter plastic parts like the lid may wear over time. Still, for the price, it should serve you well. Now, on to customer support. I haven't had the need to reach out to the company directly for any issues, and I haven't found much to suggest that their support is anything special. Nothing negative, just average. That said, Given the simplicity of this blender, I don't anticipate needing customer service unless there's an issue with the motor or blades, which seem robust. So, what's the final verdict here? The Culinary Chef Retro Smoothie Maker Blender is an excellent choice for those who want a stylish, compact, and affordable blender that does a great job with single servings. It may not be the best for big families or anyone looking to make large batches, but for the solo smoothie maker, it's a solid investment. It handles frozen fruits and ice with ease, is easy to clean, and has a design that will surely brighten up your kitchen. If you're in the market for a personal blender, this is definitely one to consider. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our reviews. And hey, if you've got any thoughts or experiences with this product, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and goodbye till next time, right here on Reviews Inside TV.